Welcome to back Technomy. You will be glad to know that we want to show you the best Gravity Zero chairs with the most benefits in this video. Before we begin our product review video, we'll take a look at some of the best Gravity Zero chairs of our time. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Let's start best 5 product review. Starting at number 1.
Product name: Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Outdoor Recliner Patio Lounge Chair. While zero gravity chairs are excellent for tanning, sometimes you simply want to lounge out without having the sun on your face the entire time. Lucky for you, this zero gravity chair from Best Choice Products comes with an external sun blocker to keep that mug sun free. The chair itself has a locking system so you won't wobble with every movement and uses UV-resistant materials so it will never fade. If for whatever reason you ever want to take it on the go, this chair even folds up for easy transport. Pros: lightweight option with a canopy for blocking the sun. Cons: some might find no use for the canopy if they want full sun the whole time. The Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Outdoor Recliner can help keep the sun out of your eyes thanks to its built-in canopy, making it perfect for reading during the summer. This zero gravity chair comes in 7 colors, and it's decked out with all the accessories you could ever want, including a headrest and cup holder tray. Oh, and did we mention it's incredibly affordable, too? The Best Choice Products chair has a rust-resistant steel frame with all-weather, UV-resistant textile mesh that's supported by replaceable elastic cords. Both its canopy and headrest can be adjusted to suit your needs, and the side tray includes 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder. The lightweight design can support up to 250 pounds, and it folds flat for portability.
Starting at number 2.
Product name: Timber Ridge Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. Adjust your position from upright to fully reclined for maximum stress relief in this oversized chair that can bear up to 350 pounds. A locking system allows you to recline in safety and comfort at any angle ranging from 0 to 170 degrees. Recline to your preferred position, then simply push the locking lever under the armrest. The fully padded seat is made of breathable, weather-resistant nylon and polyester. Ergonomically designed armrests are constructed from smooth, natural wood for added comfort and an attractive appearance. Use the removable, padded headrest to support your head and neck, or move it lower for lumbar support. The attached tray provides a cup holder and phone holder for added convenience. This oversized chair from Timber Ridge is foldable for portability and storage. Weighing in at 24.3 pounds, the fully reclined length of the chair is 72 inches. Overall dimensions when open are 43.5 by 22 by 21.3 inches. For maximum comfort, Timber Ridge's Zero Gravity Patio Chair is hard to beat. It comes with padded seating, wood armrests and a cup holder. It's also fully adjustable. It offers multiple seating positions. Pros: very comfortable and sturdy. Cons: not especially portable.
Starting at number 3.
Product name: Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Recliner Padded Patio Lounger Chair. Whether you love camping in the backyard or taking overnight trips to a national park, a compact, foldable chair is a must. So why not go with one that's comfortable and supports the body? Cue the Ever Advanced Lounge Chair designed specifically for outdoor seating. It's made with polyester fabric and has a foldable design that can be stored in a carrying case with straps. The zero gravity chair reclines back and locks in place at any position and has a double bungee cord design that allows the fabric to cradle you. This zero gravity recliner from Ever Advanced has sufficient padding to support your entire body and a super comfortable headrest. It's got a strong, long frame that stretches out to 72 inches long when fully reclined. It's large enough to fit a 6'2" person and can hold up to 350 pounds total. The recliner has a locking system and glides between positions up to 170 degrees. There's no assembly required for this comfortable chair as it comes ready to use right out of the box and has an easy folding structure that you can store simply between uses. Pros: extra padding on the entire chair, heavy weight capacity, strong locking system, easy to set up and store. Cons: the extra padding makes it heavier and slightly more difficult to move.
Starting at number 4.
Product name: Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Chair. An oversized zero gravity chair gives you all the comfort of weightlessness with extra space to spread out in the yard, at the beach, or on a camping trip. The Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Chair can accommodate up to 600 pounds, has a strong steel frame, and a 26.7-inch seat capacity, so you won't feel confined to one position. It has an easy-to-use lever that adjusts the chair from upright to a relaxed 72-inch recline. Shoppers love its padded design, and the sliding cushion for your head and back adds another level of comfort and lumbar support that definitely makes a difference. Adjust your position from upright to fully reclined for maximum stress relief in this oversized chair that can bear up to 350 pounds. A locking system allows you to recline in safety and comfort at any angle ranging from 0 to 170 degrees. Recline to your preferred position, then simply push the locking lever under the armrest. The fully padded seat is made of breathable, weather-resistant nylon and polyester. Ergonomically designed armrests are constructed from smooth, natural wood for added comfort and an attractive appearance. Use the removable, padded headrest to support your head and neck, or move it lower for lumbar support. The attached tray provides a cup holder and phone holder for added convenience. This oversized chair from Timber Ridge is foldable for portability and storage. Weighing in at 24.3 pounds, the fully reclined length of the chair is 72 inches. Overall dimensions when open are 43.5 by 22 by 21.3 inches.
Starting at number 5.
Product name: Best Choice Products Set of 2 Adjustable Steel Mesh Zero Gravity Lounge Chair. Lockable reclining system, smoothly glides into an ergonomic zero gravity position, with removable elastic cords that immediately adjust to your body's weight. Portable design, lightweight, foldable design makes these an easy addition to your next trip to the park, beach, or your child's next sporting event. Smooth lockable reclining system, smoothly glides to an ergonomic zero gravity position, with replaceable elastic cords that immediately adjust to your body. Convenient cup holder tray, detachable tray allows easy access to drinks, magazines, phones, tablets, or other small items. Powder-coated steel frame protect the chair from rust. UV-resistant mesh fabrics protect the color of this chair. The removable padded headrest can be set in any desired position. Dimensions of this chair when folded: 3/8 L, x25 H, x6 W. Weight capacity: 250 pounds. Pros: it has the capability of helping the body recover from the effect of gravity. It reduces back issues like spinal compression. Improves respiration and circulation, improves sleep quality and alleviates stress. Its locking system increases its comfort, stability, and quality. This chair can be quickly and easily set up and folded for storage purposes. It is affordable. This chair offers multiple recline positions. Cons: one disadvantage if this type of zero gravity chair is that the bungees wear over time, depending on its usage.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.